Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are well. Today we will continue our lesson, the cell. We will talk about the structure of the animal cell. In the previous part, we have talked about the structure of the plant cell, uh, and today we will talk about the animal cell. And we also will speak about the unicellular living organisms and the some application on this part. Let's start. The animal cell structure is a little similar to the plant cell structure, but there is some differences. We know from the previous part that the plant cell has cell wall, has a cell membrane, has large cell vacuole, cytoplasm, nucleus, and chloroplast. But in the animal cell, there is some difference, as the animal cell doesn't have cell wall, so it doesn't have specific shape or definite shape, while the plant cell has specific shape or definite shape because it has cell wall. So this is the first difference between the animal cell and the plant cell, that the plant cell has cell wall, but animal cell doesn't have cell wall. The animal cell has cell membrane. This cell membrane has the same function of the cell membrane in the plant cell. Both of them control the substance that enter or leave the cell. Both animal cell and plant cell has nucleus. The nucleus is responsible in each of them is responsible for cell division, and it organizes the biological process in the cell. So this is a similarity. And both of them have vacuoles, but in animal cell it's small vacuoles, but in plant cell it's large vacuole. Both of them, animal cell and plant cell, have cytoplasm, which have the same function, which is all the biological operation occur in it. The second difference between animal cell and plant cell is that plant cell has chloroplast, which is responsible for the photosynthesis process, while animal cell doesn't have chloroplast. So there is two differences between animal cell and plant cell, uh, which are the cell wall and the chloroplast. So as we see, animal cell doesn't have a specific shape. So let's move to the similarities and the differences between animal cell and plant cell. The animal cell and plant cell are similar, as both of them have cell membrane, both of them has nucleus, both of them has cytoplasm. So this is the similarity between each of them, while the differences is seen in the cell wall and the chloroplast. The animal cell has cell wall and green plastine, while plant cell doesn't. Also, the animal cell has indefinite shape, while the plant cell has definite shape, as we see in this picture. So, let's move to the unicellular living organisms. We know that all living organisms are classified according to the type of cell. So the scientists divided them into two classifications, which is multicellular living organisms and the unicellular living organisms. So the unicellular living organisms are organisms that cannot be seen by naked eye, like bacteria and yeast. Yeast have some important application in our life, which is the yeast is used in making alcohol, and it's also used in making bread. So yeast is very important and have economic is very important and have economic importance. So this is the end of our lesson. I hope that you get benefit from our quick revision. Thank you for hearing and seeing me.